Today, I feel proud and honored to stand before you to speak a few words on the occasion of the Independence Day. Every year on 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day to remember the great sacrifices of our freedom fighters who bravely fought for our independence of our country from British colonialism in 1947. The value of freedom and its struggles, which were made possible by the South, were made by our freedom fighters. The great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and also Muslim leaders like Ashfaqullah Khan, Maulana Azad, Ahmad Ali Jawhar, and many others played a crucial role in the achievement of this historical moment. Their patriotism were resembled in their ways. Ashfaqullah Khan once said, "When I die, wrap me in tricolor and give me 6 feet of my mother's land soil. Nothing else do I desire." Independence Day is not just a celebration. It's a reminder that we must stay united, work harder, and make our country better and stronger. Let us be responsible citizens and respect our freedom.